Forward march!
Creativity, curiosity, and innovation. It is indeed a great honor for us to have amidst us our chief guest, Sri Nitin Khandelwal sir, SDPO Barharwa, whose presence adds prestige and inspiration to this event. We are truly grateful for your valuable time and encouragement. We extend our respectful welcome to Father Dr. Stephen Raj.
It's always a pleasure to visit any school, especially the children's school. I always feel very good, and wherever I go, and any invitation from any school regarding anything, I never say no. It is always a good pleasure to come here with you and share a few words for enthusiasm to all the students. As I can see, today is a gathering where I think multiple schools are participating, all nearby schools, all little school children up to class 8. And this is an art and science exhibition. In our school days also we have done so many such exhibitions and competitions. And all this what it do, it inculcates a spirit of competition and enthusiasm among all the students. And as you can see, it's a large gathering here. So many exhibitions are on display today. I will visit each one of you. Don't worry about that. And I always give. I will always say that you should focus on your study in these days. This is a very important time of the life. As the school life passes on, you will always remember this as the best moment of your life. We have all been in school, and I passed matriculation in 2004, and it's been quite a long time, almost 20 years, but still I remember all the fond memories of my childhood and my school. I even remember all the teachers, principals, everything. So it will happen to you also. So build a memory, study well, and focus on your goals. And whatever teachers are teaching you, give more attention on that. All the extracurricular activities, whether it's playing or any other thing, it comes only after a focused and well spent some hours on study. So first focus on study well, try to secure good ranks and grades, and after that focus on extracurricular and physical activities also. It will boost your energy, it will boost your health, and always have a feeling that you are going to always win. Always seek for the first position. Always prepare yourself in such a way that you always get the first position in anything you do. That feeling of competition among all the students will always give good results to the school, to the country, to your house, and to yourself also. It's a long journey. You are all school children, very less in age. There is a life ahead. Go ahead, enjoy it, study well. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable.
His constant guidance, leadership, and encouragement, which continue to inspire both staff and students to strive for excellence. Thank you, Father. I will our sincere thanks to the principals, Reverend Father Herman and Reverend Father Cyril, teachers and students of neighboring schools, for taking time to be with us today and for sharing in the spirit of learning and creativity. I would like to place on record our special note of appreciation and sincere thanks to Mr. Caffey and Mr. Paul, the Arts and Science Exhibition coordinators, and team for their dedicated efforts, meticulous planning, and tireless coordination. Their commitment and leadership have played a key role in the successful organization of this exhibition. We thank our friends from social media for their support, appreciation, and encouragement, which help us connect, share, and grow beyond boundaries. A special word of appreciation goes to our students, the two stars of the day, for their creativity, enthusiasm, discipline, and hard work, which are clearly reflected in every exhibit on display. We are equally grateful to our parents and well-wishers for their constant support, cooperation, and trust in our institution, which strengthen us in all. Thank you all, and may God bless us.
Thank you, sir.
My name is Luke Marquisri and my name is Hari Kumar Kesri.
And we are from class 5. This is our project. Today our project name is Human Skeletal System, and we made it by the help of some thermocols and colors and so on.
The largest bone in our human skeletal system is the femur, and the smallest bone in our system is the steps. So you can see it is a human skeletal system model, which we made by the thermocol, color, chart paper. As we saw here, the model of the skeletal system of human.
In our arm, there are 3 kinds of bones. First, in our upper arm, where it contains humerus, and in our lower arm, it contains radius and ulna. Made a project called Food Pyramid. In this project, we have made what we are eating in our daily life. That only we made. So we have made a floor. In first floor, we have fruits and vegetables. That is good for our health. That makes our body healthy and strong. In second floor, we have carbohydrates. It is not so much good. We should eat, but we should eat in limit. And in third floor, we have proteins. We should eat these all things in our daily life. There are some examples like eggs, mushrooms, fishes, etc. And in fourth floor, we have dairy products. This type of food is made up of milk, and we should not eat so much these all things. This one looks very pretty, but in exactly it is not. We should not eat this much these all things like biryani, French fries, cookies, etc. Thank you.
माने ये मैन हैंडेड चीज हो और एक नेचुरल हैंडेड नेचुरल
आज पार्ट में आप लोग को पेड़ नहीं काटना चाहिए, उसी से काटने से ज़्यादा और
मतलब पेड़ लगाना चाहिए
पेड़ लगाना चाहिए, कचरा नहीं फेंकना चाहिए।
पेड़ कैसे उसको प्यूरिफाई करता है
detached from the middle one.
पेड़
Goes in the moon. And here you can see
ऑक्सीजन देता है तो प्यूरिफाई कैसे करता है
प्यूरिफाई ये करता है,
इसे नहीं करता CO2 लेता है वो
जैसे वो कार्बन
CO2
डाइऑक्साइड
लिया जब वो CO2 एब्जॉर्ब कर लिया तो एयर जो
Heart has usually 4 chambers, 2 upper chambers which are known as atria, 2 lower chambers which are known as ventricles. Heart has some important veins such as pulmonary arteries, pulmonary veins, aorta, superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. Heart has some valves. Valves help in prevention of backflow of the blood. If valves will be not present in human heart, then there will be mixing of pure and impure blood. Now you will be curious what is pure and impure blood. Pure blood means which is rich in the amount of oxygen. Impure blood means which has less amount of oxygen present in it. There are 3 valves in human heart. First, between the ventricle, second between the atria, and third which is near the aorta. Now she will explain the blood flow of the heart. Thank you.
In which a nuclear fusion takes place, because of which heat comes to every planet, and that's why in Earth life is there. First planet is Mercury. It is the smallest planet and the closest planet to Sun. Its temperature is very much in day, but very less in night. In day, its temperature increases up to 450 degrees Celsius, and in night it decreases about minus 180 degrees. Next planet is Venus, which is the third smallest planet and the hottest planet. Its temperature, according to science, its temperature rises up to 460 degrees Celsius. Now it's Earth. Earth is the only planet in which life exists.
So if we on this switch, the motor starts vibrating. If the snakes hear these vibrations, they may think that there is danger in the land, so they go away from it. And if you on this switch, at night also farmer works. So if danger will be there, then this alert system can alert them, so they can be alerted. And this light can also.
We are students of class, and today we are showing you to our model that how human breathing system works. It is also called respiratory system. This is our model. First, air enters through nasal cavity, that is the nose, and goes to trachea and reaches to lungs. And inside the lungs, there is a tiny branches called bronchi, and it also has an air sac known as alveolus. Is the face of one layer of fish. This process